just left class and it's the weekend.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna
Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. It's Friday and I was supposed to be starting this vlog tomorrow, but there's a couple
Umesema nini? Unajisikia hata ukiongea?
There are a couple of errands that I have to do before tomorrow, so I am going to take you guys with me. So basically, we are going for camp this weekend. It's like Deepavali or Diwali, and we're going for camp with my church. So there's a couple of stuff that I need to buy, like some toiletries that I don't have, so we're going to get. And also I need a tripod stand. I've been talking about getting a tripod stand for a very long time, but I wasn't able to do that. So today we are going with my friend. We're going to like look for like shops around where I stay. If they don't have, well, my arm is gonna be doing the most. So let's go. Guys, it was just raining a couple of minutes ago. Like 30, 30. And we have 3 locations we need to go to. So I'm walking as fast as my feeble legs can carry me. You remember in composition, when you guys are writing composition, they're like,
I ran as fast as my feeble legs could carry me.
Like those, what are they called? I don't know, what are those things called? If you know what they are called, please comment down below. Yeah. Anyways, so we have 3 locations we need to go to. The first one is like very close over here, so we're just going to walk like very fast, go there. The second one we need to cross the road. The other one is like where I need to get my stuff. So hopefully this rain doesn't rain, because are you seeing how the back is looking? Yeah. Anyways, so I'll see you when we get to the first location. So we've reached. I'm trying to see how much is this. What is the price? Yo, oh my god, the prices. What's this like? Not for me. Okay, so we've just left the first shop, and the prices, I'm a student. Maybe if I invest in a good tripod stand, then I'll come back there and buy. So we're moving on to the second location to go and check for the tripod stand. I really hope we find, because I just need something temporary for now, and then I like get a better one in future. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying. Yeah. We are at the second location, so I just need to find where these tripod stands are. I don't know. Violet, where are electronics? Anyways, so let's go check. Hopefully I find what I'm looking for, because oh, that's cute. Electronics, where are you? Those are what is here surely. Okay, so these guys don't have tripod stands. They just have like car holders and the phone holders for the table, but that's not what I need. So Ebu, let's go. You know it's going to rain. You're still looking at things. So change of plans. The rain has come and we had to like get into like another place so that we can try and look for, because I need toothpaste and I need body wash. So we're not gonna go to like the cheap store on the other side, so we just had to come into some other store and get and try and look for what I wanted. So if we don't get, we'll just have to try the supermarket, although I do want to get from there, but what choice do I have? Anyway, so this is trying to check. I'm trying to check if they have like a smaller version of what I can carry, and then I don't know, we'll probably see. My phone is also almost about to die, so I will give you an update when I get back to school. Oh my god, it's raining. We don't have an umbrella. We've clicked the traffic thingy so that they can stop, and they are not stopping.
But like they can stop.
Yo, Jesus. Okay. Oh my Lord. Okay, let's go. Yes. Thank you, Lord. Can you just let us pass? Surely. Oh,
Do these things work? Like,
thank you, Lord Jesus.
do they like actually?
Okay, guys, so the rain is too much, and we decided to come to some local restaurant to get dinner so that when I get back to school, I just park. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah, so we're just about to get, it's like chapati, but it's called roti. So we'll get it first and then go for dinner. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when I get back to school. Hopefully by the time we're finished eating, the rain would have stopped so that we don't have to stay here for much longer. We successfully came back to school and it was drizzling a bit, but we still managed to walk back. We were taking our time because we ate. You know, after you eat and then like you feel some heaviness in your body, like you just want to lay on your bed. Yeah. Anyway, so I want to take a small break before I start packing my stuff for tomorrow. I'm not going to film much in the morning because yeah, it's just we are filming for a camp, okay? Because nothing much is going on. It's just waking up, going to church, and then after that now like the real deal. Anyway, so I'm going to pack my stuff, get ready for tomorrow, and then shower, sleep immediately, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Hi guys, so it's now 1:30 and we are about to leave. This is how I'm looking. I was like this for church, so I just we're about to leave to the place, so we're gonna go together. I won't talk much because it's gonna be like a 2 hours drive, so see you when I get there.
Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. That the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I know we go and shadow. And if we go and shadow, and if we go I did cut a cut when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and
We have finally reached the place. It's called Woodstock Camp, and the road coming up, I don't know if you've seen, but it was like so narrow and steep. So we reached a place and I was like, oh. But anyways, so we've reached and we just want to like go meet the rest of the people so that we start pitching our tents, and then after we pitch our tents, we'll see how the program of the night will take us. So let's go pitch the tent. Yes, we are real camping. We are camping for real, not sleeping in a hotel or no. It's in tents, in sleeping bags. Yeah, anyways, I'm very excited and thank God for the weather. Like, it's sunny, it's not cold, so hopefully all goes well. So I'll see you guys.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I think win by.
Guys, it's so hot. Are you seeing? I'm sweating already. It's too hot. Anyways, my cup is in the car, so probably get it when I'm taking down my stuff. But for now, we need to pitch this tent faster.
I know holy, and I know that get both, like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I dey try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. waiting for you. And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo.
Guys, I'm sweating so much, but we are done making our tent. Say hi. Okay, so now we are done arranging our tent, and we want to it's so hot. Oh my god, it's so hot. Anyways, so now we want to arrange our bags inside the tent and just like chill, because it's very, very, very hot outside. It's like, are you seeing the sun? It's very hot. Nobody is going outside. Anyway, so let's finish and then we'll show you guys the finished look. We are done. Okay, so basically this is how it's looking. Are you guys okay? Are you okay? Am I okay? Okay, so now my phone is about to die, and there's nothing much we're doing today, so I think this is the end of this time. In case I vlog again, it will be maybe during dinner time, so I'll see you guys later after I charge my phone.
Walete mambo si haya, mambo kupepea.
So we had just finished our opening ceremony and set up the rest of the campsite where we were going to sit and eat, and we wanted to have dinner, then go freshen up from all the activities of the day, the pitching the tent, and then come back to campsite and just spend some time, play some games together, and call it a night. Hi guys, so it's some minutes to 11 and it's so hot, but we just came from the shower and we are now about to sleep. I'm the timekeeper, so I need to be waking up at 6 a.m. to make sure everybody else is awake, and then go shower, like do my cleanup, and then come. You're hearing the fireworks here. Anyways, so do my cleanup and we should be back here by 7 a.m. So I need to sleep right now. Nothing much is happening like for the rest of the night. We just want to sleep, and then I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Morning. Okay, so it's 6:15. I just woke up. I'm still so tired, but I'm the timekeeper and I need to be up, and by 7 I need to round up people so that we go have devotion. So I'm about to go and wash my face, and then and then after that we'll probably have breakfast and then continue with our activities for the day. So I'm going to be seeing you after I freshen up. So we just had our devotion and we are now about to have our breakfast. So I just came to like change out of this so that I can wear something that is a bit comfortable, that I can walk around in because it's quite long. And then we have our breakfast, and then after that we're going to be having an honor class. After that we're going for river trekking. So I may not be able to take as many shots during the breakfast and like preparing, but in case I don't see you guys during breakfast, I will definitely see you during the honor class, and as we are going for river trekking. So bye, I'll see you. From our campsite, we could see Genting Highlands. For those who don't know what or where Genting Highlands is, it's this fun theme park that's like on the top of the hills or mountain, and it's very cold up there.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time.
I've watched your Christmas vlog before.
Really?
Yeah. What Christmas vlog again?
The very first one.
I only see.
So how is camp like for you?
Camp is like a really good experience, and then this is the third time of me going to camp. And it's actually really nice. It's just that the floor is rocky, and then we saw many types of insects, like scorpions, and just now we saw a cobra. And it's comfy at night when we sleep.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Okay.
The food is good too.
Okay.
Camp is really interesting and a great experience because you can get close to nature and with God. It's really fun and exciting to explore as well.
Yay! Bella?
Camp is also really good. I get to see many types of insects which I love. There's cobra, scorpion, and many other types. Also,
You just caught a millipede yesterday. I sent millipede, a dead millipede yesterday.
and I saw white ants.
White ants? Where?
Over there, this morning.
Really?
Here's a lot.
And this is my first time sleeping with my friends.
Ooh, are you enjoying? Okay. Yeah. Anyways, so camp is good. So now we are just waiting. To be inspected. You've seen that in the previous video. I've shown you how our tent is looking. So we are just going to wait for our tent to be inspected, and then we'll probably see how everything else is gonna go. So be careful. Hopefully we get the best tent, like the neatest tent. Yeah, because our tent is really looking nice. Anyways, bye guys. We'll let you know how. Will they tell us the marks, the points?
I think they
They
Really are. Anyways, we'll let you know if we're the best tent. Okay, you want to say bye?
Bye.
By final present arm, order arm. By final stand at ease, stand easy.
Right, today we're going to inspect your tent. So these are the areas that we're going to inspect. Number one is the campsite layout. So according to the rules of the camping, there must be 3 meters apart from another tent. Alright, because of our, the layout of the campsite here, so we cannot have
Ada slowly do rush.
Delivery. I'm delivering you.
Let's go.
Huh? Deliver to
Why do you just?
Dad is driving the North Road. Dad, Pamela. I'm the last one.
브레이크를 탑승하는 거 아니야?
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not, it's sabotage. This got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. If karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong.
If you got the gatal.
Gawai aku.
Gatal. So anak sungai datang ke bumi.
Bella, Bella, are you okay?
Dalam pahang. Awak dalam pahang. Dalam pahang. Macam mana Pak?
Of this head of mine, intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not, it's sabotage. It's got to be more than here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. Stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Oh, my baby girl. Yes, no, hurt me so good, baby. Oh,
Vision.
I'm so wrapped up in your love. Let me go. Let me breathe. Stay out my fantasy.
But they're ready to give me the thing, they're ready to really get to dive. Tell me all about the things where you were fantasize. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they cannot be denied. Come check me in at the night, I make me get it amplified. The grip for run the ship, me now go slip, me now go slide. In other words, the love I got to give it certified. We give it the toughest, longest type of ride. Girl,
Baby boy, you stay on my mind.
come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by.
What is the picture? I was doing what? Why are you running away?
I'm putting my shoes on.
I will leave.
Gabriel! Oh my God! Enough!
Konkuren na.
Ice cream!
Changing you. I
can't believe I raised you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's what she is ashamed of you, damn. Look at what you become, right up at what you've been. I was just like, I was just so in it, I was just so committed. No, I don't regret it, I learned what love is once I let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go, but you're doing too much and you got it. But when I know you, when you try to hold on to my attention, won't you let it go? Let it go, let it go, let it go. Hey, yeah, but you're doing too much and you're trying too hard, trying to get a reaction. I am a child, so I can.
Hi guys.
Hi.
So we had to move our camping spot again. Ow. We were up on the hill, now we came down and we're still going up some other hill. So we're getting our new place. Push. We're getting the new place to camp and for the night, then tomorrow we'll be leaving. So same process like what we did last time, just at a different spot. So see you guys after we finish pitching our tent. Bye. Is this a place?
Yes. Anita, if
This and this.
Anita, if they move, let's stay there because the view is nice.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah. Then, you know,
Okay, we're gonna pitch our
you
tent
see the
behind
waterfall?
here.
But you are. Over here.
This side is better.
Yeah, we can go.
How are you? Tired. I'm so tired. Okay.
How I've been living without you, daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, do you miss your touch? I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you, want you. So I'll come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? Breathing heaven is place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. Breathing heaven is place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the sunlight. It's so quiet when I hear you. So
good.
now you feel set up to miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you?
Hi guys, good morning. So I know I've left you guys so far back, but I left you guys at the river. I'm coming to pick you up. Anyway, so a little update on what happened yesterday. So we went to the river, we came back, and then we just played like a few games. We went to play football, and in the midst of playing the football, because I didn't have the proper shoes, my shoe like tore, like it snapped. So I have one slipper that's fine, the other slipper is not okay. I was struggling the whole night, but it was okay. Then after that we went to shower and then had dinner, and then we played some games a bit, and then we watched the Manchester game. And then after watching the Manchester game, I tried so hard to stay awake, but I left like a few minutes to the end of the game. So we won 2-1, I think. Yeah, at least, because everybody was bashing Manchester United, you know yourself. Anyways, Yeah, so it's morning, it's like 7 something. We're about to go and have breakfast and then devotion and then just like clear out our things, strike our tent and then start preparing to leave, which is around noon-ish, like 12-ish. So I don't know if I'll take you guys to the process of striking our tents, but whatever I'm able to get, I will, because my phone is like almost dying. I want to get it to charge. Yesterday night, like the other place that we moved to, it was so good, you know. We were sleeping and like we're sleeping by the river, so at night you're just hearing it was so good. And like I think you can hear it right now, like the water is like just flowing. It was so nice and it was cold as well, so I got a chance to sleep inside my sleeping bag and actually cover myself. Yeah, anyways, so let me go help out with the stuff, bring the breakfast down and everything so that we can get moving. See you guys later.
Chai.
Nini? Ulipata wapi?
Hii ya mchunguzi. Hii ya mchunguzi mnapika.
Uko na nyingine? It smells nice.
Katanisho kachuma. Unataka uende nayo? Unapika chai.
If I boil water, can I just put?
Yeah.
I put in my cup.
No.
Are you seeing the way these mosquitoes were feeding on me? We are now leaving the place. It's been good. I will update you guys once I reach home, like a rundown of everything. Bye.
Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. My heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cool without you. Without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cool without you. Without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cool without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running to you.
We are back in school and I reached at around 3 something, okay, and then I immediately came and I slept. I blacked out. I was so tired. I've slept until like 6, yeah, for like 4 hours. I was so tired because normally when we like in camp, right, we wake up at 6. I would wake up at like 6 or 5, you know, 6:10, because not everybody is waking up at 6. So then prepare, get ready, and it's like a full day of activity. You don't get to like nap or do anything like in the middle of the day. And then in the evening you stay for like maybe like 10, 11, 11:30, 12, doing like so. I've come home and I don't have food to eat. It's literally like 7 something. It's going to 8 p.m. and I need to go and look for food because like I'm not sleeping hungry. So we are going with my roommate who want to go and look for something to eat, like food, because I haven't had like food since, is it yesterday? I think yesterday lunch. No, today breakfast actually. I had noodles. Yeah. So hoping to go and get food and then come back and prepare for tomorrow. I have no class tomorrow, so it's just a pretty chill day. Staying, recovering. I have laundry I need to do. Just basically gather myself for the week. I really had a great time. Perfect way to unwind from school, because past few weeks school has been really tough and my mental health was not in the right place. So I'm glad I went on this small trip and now I'm back stronger to face the new, like the rest of the semester. Anyways, apart from that, I'm so glad that you have reached the end of this vlog, and if you enjoyed, please, can you even hear me? If you enjoyed this vlog, please put a thumbs up and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.